Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to dive into the basics of making southern fried catfish. There are three main things you should make sure you cover so that your fish turns out perfect every time. 1. You want to use the right fry mix. 2. Your oil has to be at the right temperature before you drop the fish in. And number 3, properly prepping the fish makes a world of difference in how everything turns out. I'm sure you can find a lot of great fry mixes at your local store, but let me tell you, you probably already have the ingredients in your cabinet to make your own fry mix. So before we get going with the recipe, get a nice sized pot, fill it halfway with cooking oil, preferably canola if you have it, and preheat the oil to 375 degrees. Now let's create a fry mix. Here's what you'll need. Mix all these ingredients until they're well distributed. And that's all you need to make a basic fry mix that tastes great. Now let's prep the catfish. First things first, make sure that your fish is room temperature. Then we'll take some paper towels and we'll pat dry the fish. If you don't remove excess water before you dredge the fish in the fry mix, you're gonna have a lot of problems when you drop it in the oil. The outer coating just won't get crispy, or it could just fall off. Now evenly coat each side of the fish by dredging it in the fry mix and immediately dropping it into the oil. When your oil is set to the right temperature, you'll notice that immediately when you drop the fish in, the outer coating will crisp up really quick. And the interior will remain tender as you cook it for 5 to 10 minutes. Now, if you want your fish to be extra crispy, just leave it in an additional 10 to 15 minutes. Serve the catfish immediately while it's hot, and enjoy. If you made it this far, how about you do me a favor? Click that like button, leave a comment, and share this video with your family and friends. All those things help this channel grow and go. Until next time, I just like to cook, and I'll see you later.